Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to mix vitamin E capsules into your hair oil for an easy, nourishing treatment. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that can significantly benefit your hair and scalp. It helps improve blood circulation to the scalp, which encourages healthy hair growth. Plus, it adds a beautiful, natural shine to your strands, making them look vibrant and strong. First, gather your ingredients. Your favorite carrier oil, like coconut, almond, or olive oil, and 2 to 3 vitamin E capsules. Carefully snip or puncture the capsules to extract the oil. Then, combine this vitamin E oil with about 2 tablespoons of your chosen carrier oil. Stir the mixture well to ensure the vitamin E is evenly distributed throughout the oil. Now it's time for application. Begin by gently massaging the vitamin E oil mixture into your scalp using your fingertips. Work your way down, ensuring the oil covers all your hair strands from roots to ends. For best results, leave the oil on for at least 30 minutes. If you have dry or damaged hair, consider leaving it on overnight for deeper conditioning. For optimal benefits, aim to use this vitamin E hair oil treatment 1 to 2 times weekly. After the desired time, wash your hair thoroughly with a mild shampoo to remove any residue. Remember, consistency is key for seeing improvements in hair health. Store any leftover mixture in a cool, dark place to maintain its potency for future use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.